As a small company like we are, we're working with the biggest names kind of in technology. It's typically we're working with somebody and we're creating a laser that's kind of perfect for their solution.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Primera and Banner Bank.
And welcome you all here to Access Laser. We've been in business since 1999. All of our lasers are IR, so they're invisible, so you can't see where they are, which means we have to be very careful about making sure people don't put their hands in front of it. So what we do is, for example, help LIGO. We help them win a Nobel Prize for physics by detecting gravity waves. So we're not the long 4-kilometer laser, but our laser was used to remove distortion of the mirror, and they couldn't have done it without our laser. This is our production area here. These are certified clean rooms. We've got multiple certified ISO 8, mostly ISO 8 clean rooms, and some of them are ISO 7. So this is our incoming inspection area, so everything's going to be checked in through here. Our parts, it's really critical that they're all right. One of the interesting things about CO2 lasers is you can't machine to the tolerances that light cares about. So for example, you can assemble a laser, fully characterize it, disassemble it and put it back together. It will not perform exactly the same way. This is a smaller, one of our 30-watt lasers here, very similar to the laser that we use for EUV, but just not as powerful on this one. One of our more sophisticated lasers, it has the ability to be locked on a line. It's not a very good beam right now. They're still working on it. You would want that to be really super round is what you're looking for here. There's an awful lot of tests that we do that are like 24-hour tests or overnight tests that we have to do to make sure they're just rock steady on that. We've got Mark is working on one of our 12-watt lasers. This one is used for another dental application, which is cutting gums. Where to cut them with a scalpel, they would bleed, whereas the laser basically cauterizes as it goes. This side over here is the optical lab. What they're doing is they've got new lasers that are under work. We've got some brand new product that we're starting to ship first prototypes for systems. We want physicists. That's something, a lot of people who go into physics are people who are intensely curious. Physics is a way of explaining the whole universe. And that's kind of people who really do well here. The people who are super curious, that's really helpful for us. They like working here because they get to do stuff you don't get to do other places.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Primera and Banner Bank.